What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Got a birthday gift from my mom, the Pro Lift Z creeper seat. Let's go ahead and assemble this. This comes with 4 casters with fasteners, 2 without. You will need a size 3/16 Allen key for these, a set of 4 washers, 8 total, 4 bolts with nuts. You'll need a size 13 to tighten these bolts up. This also comes with 2 opening wrenches, one for the wheels and the other for the bolts. First we're going to do is grab the center frame. You see the 2 holes. Pull the spring-loaded clip back. Line it up. We're going to flip it over for better access so we can tighten the bolts. Now we're going to use one of our bolts. Add a washer to it. Grab another washer. Put it on the other side. Add your nut. Use the wrench that came with your chair to hold the bolt in place while you use a size 13 socket or wrench to tighten it down. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Now you want to flip it back over. Insert your head frame. Flip it right back over. Line it up. Now you want to insert your bolts and repeat the same steps, but this time we're going to line our bolts up and where the nut's going to be on the outside of the frame rather than inside like we did before. Now do the same thing on the other side. Now you want to grab the 2 casters without the fasteners and screw them in the creeper's head frame. Use the wrench that came with your chair to tighten these up. Now you're going to remove your fasteners from the casters, insert them from the bottom into the holes, and then insert your fasteners from the top and use your Allen key to tighten these down. Then you should be good.
Diesel.
Dog snoring like an old ass man. So now you got it done. You got this spring clip. It's locked in right now. You pull the spring clip, lifts up, push it back, listen for the click. Push the head frame down. She's good to go. But yeah, I hope this video helps somebody out. Remember, like and subscribe, comment, push that notification bell. Until next time.